Alright guys, taking a look at the RV today, and we've ordered a new awning for this bad boy. 14 footer, and we ordered a 16 foot. Alright, the awning wasn't supposed to be here until Wednesday, but here it is Monday and we got it.
In the smoky room, dancing to the blues like a disco groove, catching every eye. Like you wanted me, you just move, baby, move any way you need.
Alright guys, taking a look at the RV today, and we've ordered a new awning for this bad boy. So hopefully we can get this thing taken care of. It started tearing on the top there, and then it's broke loose from, it's torn for about 14 feet there on the very top. Okay, Debbie and the grandkids got the awning off, did a great job on that. The new one came in. The new one is a 14 footer, and we ordered a 16 foot 2 inch. So Debbie just took that back down to UPS, sending that off, and we shall wait for a 16 footer. Alright, the awning wasn't supposed to be here until Wednesday, but here it is Monday and we got it. So it's going up. They just got to get it all threaded back together. The piece they're holding slides over the top part of the awning. Then the awning will slide onto this. Then it's got to slide onto that. I don't know. They know what they're doing. They took it apart. They're putting it together. I'm smoking some short ribs. Alright. There's the old one on the ground and the new one in the air.
What closer?
Just like that.